In Kazan lives a femme so wild but true. Belly's fierce, E.G. boy is trouble too. Mama is a dragon, dog raised to grab a mist and lover all the time. P-E-R-N-I-T-O-S. The Pernitos fam love always win the fight.
Hi.
Eh, naikot na.
Yung malo.
Morning, Bella.
Tito Bella. Hi.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat dyan. Sana ay maging masaya ang ating Pasko.
Dala sexy! Yan, wait, akala ko dala sexy.
Yung mukha mo ng aking...
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the...
Patay!
Ako lang yan. Okay, sige. Tuwan-tuwa eh.
Ah,
Kita lang kay Banda, diba?
yeah. Wow! Yung mga bata. Sige, ito kayo. Naka?
Filipino. Bakit? Uy, Bilibela.
Ayun na, abangan mo na, kuya. Go, Bella!
Bye!
Hey! You want more? Ouchie? It's okay. Hi, say hi.
First one, socks. Socks from the German army. This gift is for Belly.
Wow!
This gift is for
Oh, mahuhulog.
Belly.
Bakit may ano to? Ako na!
Alam mo na?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Mami!
Napagod na. Hey, Bella! Belly! Hi! Ayaw na.
Kahit Bella.
Anong gusto mong kape?
Kape ro.
Ito?
Oh, yan.
Oh!
Kita! Mama! Kiss pa!
Oh, makatama ka ha. Bella, come here. Dali, liko mo. Go. Ay.
Papa, tutus ko!
Go.
Mama, tutus ko!
Okay, get.
Mama!
Oh!
Tutus ko!
Go quick. One lang ha.
Papa! Chocolate!
Chocolate, go. Shoot. Okay.
Papa! Papa!
Mami!
Papa, walk!
Go. One lang. One lang, ani. Isa lang.
Yes! I did it! Mama, it's done it!
Ganda pala tayo.
Papa!
Dalawa-dalawa, be.
119 lang.
Yeah, dalawa-dalawa. Para ano?
Ha?
Dalawa.
Campaign.
Yan. Mas mura. Uy, sarap po.
Apple. Parang mas maganda to ipamigay, be.
Saray po siya last dito.
Oo.
Sorry po.
Yay!
Ay, sa January 9.
January 9.
Kayo yung hindi ka malayo, sir, di ba?
Opo.
Ano po, antayin nyo na lang po ng third dose. Pwede naman na siya, sir, hanggang third dose.
Third dose, ano?
Pernitos. The Pernitos fam love always win the fight.